Locate your smoke detector. Hold down the Test button. You should hear 3 loud beeps. If this does not happen, contact your building's maintenance team. These tests should be performed on each smoke and CO detector in your home. In order to clean the air conditioner filter, you must first turn off the unit. Open the front panel. The design of your air conditioner may differ slightly from the one shown. Remove the air filter and remember the orientation. If mildly dusty, a vacuum may be all that's required to remove trapped particles. If there's more of a buildup of debris, washing the filter with some mild soap and water should work better to clean it up. If you've used water on your filter, give it time to dry out before replacement. After the filter is dried, install it back into the unit in the same way it was removed. Close the front panel. You can now turn the unit back on. Be sure to press the filter reset switch on the control panel.